Today we'll discuss about 4.1.4 ACL demonstration. So here we are discussing about standard ACL. So what is ACL? ACL means list of permitted deny statements. Okay, so standard ACL, they are numbered from 1 to 99 and it deny or permit packets from a source IP address or a source network. Okay, so it will not allow or maybe block or maybe permit packet from a source network or source IP address. Okay, two examples. One is access list 10, deny host 192.0.2.10. This means the access list number is 10. Deny means don't allow. Host is the keyword used for as mentioning an IP address. Okay, so we will create an ACL with number 10, deny or don't allow all the traffic from this host. This one, the second one is access list permit network, then wildcard mask. This means permit all the traffic from this network. This one, first one is IP address only for specific host. This one is for all the host in the network. Okay, then go for the activity. So here we have three routers, two WAN. Okay, each R1 R3. Both routers have two LANs. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, two steps are there. Part one, part two. Part one is verify local connectivity and test access list. Okay. So what they're telling, from the command prompt of PC1 ping PC2 and PC1 to PC3. So I'll go to PC1. Okay, I already pinged PC1 to PC2. PC2 is 192.168.10.11. It is pinging. The reply from is coming. Now PC1 to PC3. PC3 is 11.10. That also I tried 11.10. It's pinging. Now why were the ping successful? Because they are directly connected. There is no ACL, nothing there. Okay. Now ping device on remote network to ACL test ACL. Okay, so remote network means any network which is not directly connected to router is remote network. Okay, so here the routers are directly connected this network. This is direct network. Okay, so here this router is not directly connected to 192.168.3.0. This router is not directly connected to 31.0 network also. This is remote network. Any network which is not directly connected to the router by interface is called as remote network. Okay, I want to test PC1 to PC4, PC1 to DNS server. So what is PC4? 192.168.30.12. Okay, that also I tried. Destination not reachable, yani no connection. Then DNS server 31.12. This is PC4 30.12, DNS server 31.12. That also I tried, not reachable. Why? Why do the ping fail? Because I have configured ACL. How do we check that? Go to R1. When I type show run command, I could see one statement here. Access list 11, deny any traffic from this network 192.168.10.0, because this 10 PC1 PC, okay, PC1 and PC2, these two are belonging to which one? 192.160.10.0 network. That's why their IP address is 10.10 and PC2 is 10.11. So these two devices, the packets, the traffic from this device will be denied to pass. Okay, how it is done, I'll show you. Okay, now we have to check that. Okay, already checked. Okay, but just again use the now part to remove the ACL and repeat the test. Okay, so before that we should know another command to display the ACL. There is no need, every time we cannot use the show run, right? So what is another command to see the ACL? Show access list. Okay, show access hyphen list. It will show you standard IP ACL is configured 11 and it is deny traffic from this network. Okay, and permit all other traffic. So the packets, no, the ICMB packets from this network or ping will be blocked. All other traffics permitted. Okay, this from this network, all the traffics are blocked. Others okay. So where do you apply this? Okay, we want to We want, this is what this Mr. This is wildcard mask. Wildcard means opposite of subnet mask. How do we get this wildcard mask? 255, 255, 255, 25. And you caught 254. All 255 minus your subnet mask will get this one. Okay. I already shown that in one activity. You can check that. Okay. I think let me check. It's there. How to find wildcard mask here. Okay. I'll show you that. If your subnet mask is 255, 255, 255.0, okay, the wildcard mask will be, how do we calculate? Cot 255, all the 255 four parts minus your subnet mask 255, 255 to 0, you will get 0, 0, 0, 255. That's why you got the, that's how you got the wildcard mask. Okay, that's what you mentioned here. Then where do we apply this access list? This one is actually blocking all the traffic from this network. No, I want to block only, I want to block which one, ping, or block traffic from this one only to 192, 168, which network? These two networks. Okay, so in that case, I want to apply the ACL in a interface which is moving towards this network. Okay, so in this case, this is the interface which is sending the packet towards this network. Okay, so we have to apply that ACL here. Whatever packets coming out of this SC00 from 10.00 will be blocked. That's why we have to apply this ACL 11, deny the traffic from this network. We will apply this only on this SC00. So that means the packet will not go to this one. It will be blocked. Okay, that's why we apply this on this ACL on this particular interface. Okay, how do we check that? In that show run, we can see 000. I applied the ACL by adding the command IP access group, the access list number, then out. Okay, the interface which is the packets which are going outside, outwards this SC00 will be which one? Applied on the ACL number 11. Okay, understand? Now, another command to check this interface, which interface we have applied the ACL, the command is this command. Okay, show run pipe operator include interface pipe operator access. Okay, this interface or this command will display the interfaces in R1 plus in which interface ACL is applied. Okay, so I'll apply the command show run. First of all, show run, all the configuration. In that, I want to specifically choose interfaces. Okay, so pipe operator, we call it as or also. Okay, or logical or, no, include interfaces in from the show run, include interface. Okay, again pipe operator access. See, I can see all the interfaces in which one, my R1. Then in the interfaces, which one is having the access list applied? So interface 000, I applied access list 11. That's why IP access group 11 out is there. Okay, this is what, how do we find out the interfaces in the router R1 and where do we apply the access list. Okay, now how do we remove the access list? First thing is, you want to unbind the access list from the interface, then delete this access list. Okay, see here, first thing you want to go inside the interface of R1 SC00, then unbind or remove that access list, the connectivity access list with this interface, then remove the accesses directly by adding no accesses level. Okay, now go here and I will go to configuration mode, interface SC000, no IP. I'm unbinding. I'm not giving any connection between the access list and the interface. Okay, access group 11 out. Out means the packets moving outside this interface. Okay, then exit. Now go to configuration mode, no access list, removing that access list also. Both are needed. Okay, now I'll fast forward. Now they're asking you to ping from PC1 to DNS and PC4. I'll go to PC1, command prompt. I'll try this command. 31.12 is, I think, DNS server. Let's check. Maybe first packet will fail, the remaining will go through. Yes, now PC4 is 30.12. Okay, 30.12. It also will pass the packet. So because I remove the ACL, understand? This is what standard ACL simple activity. Already they have done the ACL. Just we are testing and we are removing the ACL. Okay. Hope you understood. See you in the next video.